Hey, what's up everybody? Michael from RoyalElements.com. Today we're going to be talking about how to make matte printable vinyl stickers. And the example we're going to use here are these cute frogs. So let's get into it. What you're going to need, first of all, is a pair of scissors. A Cricut machine is optional. We've used an Explore Air in the past and it is pretty good. Second, you're going to need some Royal Elements matte printable vinyl. Matte is important here. Third, you're going to need a printer. Inkjet or laser is fine. So step one is to design your stickers in Canva. This is how we always do it. We have separate tutorials on our channel, but you just go to canva.com, type in what you are looking for, and we're looking for cute frogs, and I'm going to scroll here until I find an image that I like. So here he is, he or she, and then we are going to adjust the colors and try and make it pop a little better. So the eyes, I went from like a light yellow to a pure white, and then for the green skin of Mr. Frog here, we adjusted a little bit so it is a little bit brighter. You can also look there and see how big the sticker is. That was 2 inches. Very useful to go by. So now I'm going to copy and paste a couple of times just for this example. We're not printing a full sheet. And then I'm going to name it Cute Frog because, well, he's cute and he's a frog. So hit the share button, then download. And it's very important to download this as a PNG file, not a JPEG. Okay, so Cute Frog comes up and then here we are. He is live, and step 2 is to print your stickers. So now we have the sheet. I'm going to print with this LaserJet, this laser printer. You can adjust the media and quality. I always recommend doing this, setting it to best. And then you could also adjust where it's feeding from in terms of what the actual media is. You can select something other, but I just left it. So here is our matte printable vinyl. We have instructions on the back, but you're literally watching this tutorial, so that should help. And then with our laser printer, I'm going to remove the regular copy paper first. Okay, we're going to stick in our printable vinyl. Very important to note which side is correct. Every printer is different, but I need to print with the vinyl side up in this case. Okay, I hit print on my laptop, and now these beautiful frog stickers came out of the laser printer. Step 3 is to cut your stickers out. Here you can either choose to use scissors like I am doing in this speed run here, or you could use a cutting machine. So what I opted to do is use stickers because everyone has, use a pair of scissors because everyone has that, right? But if you're a small sticker business, maybe you just have a little bit more money to invest and you want to do it right, then you can use that. So here it is, the outline versus the trimmed to the edge stickers. And step 4, we're going to peel and stick the stickers out onto a water bottle. So here we are with the little outline to make it look a little bit more like an actual sticker. It looks pretty clean, I would say, just using stickers, just using scissors, I mean. And then here we go, trimmed to the edge. These are what they look like. So now you know how to make matte stickers. You're gonna want to click this video to learn more.